Hello everyone, very warm welcome to Venkat Varma Chemistry YouTube channel. I am Venkat Varma, your chemistry mentor. I hope all are doing well. First of all, thanks for clicking the video. In this session, we are going to learn super easy trick to find charge on polyatomic molecule. Charge on polyatomic molecule. See, first of all, in polyatomic molecules, polyatomic ions, polyatomic ions, polyatomic ions. In polyatomic ions, the first one is it consists two types of atoms. Two types of atom. The first thing is if molecule contain two types of atoms. So before going to this trick, so once look at for the periodic table. So have a look for the periodic table. See, in the periodic table. So groups are there, periods are present. See, group, first A group, hydrogen is a first A group. So beryllium is a second A. Yes. Look at for the boron, third A, carbon, fourth A group, nitrogen, fifth A, oxygen, sixth A, fluorine, seventh A. So remember these things we can easily find the charge of polyatomic ions. See, look at for scandium, third B, titanium, fourth B, so vanadium, fifth B, chromium, sixth B, manganese, seventh B, iron, cobalt, nickel, these are eighth, and copper and zinc, first B and second B. See, have a look, have a look for a trick. See, look at for this. See, if group is even, see, group is odd, the charge is -1. The charge is the -1. Group is even, group is odd. This is a trick. Remember this trick. See, group is even and group is odd. The charge equal to -1. Group is even. Group is even. The charge is -2. Group is odd and group is odd. The charge is +1. Charge is +1. See, have a look for examples. If sulfate means SO4. See, sulfur, what is a group? It belongs to sulfur is sixth group. Yes, sixth group. Oxygen, sixth group. So sulfur is 6 means it is a even. Okay. Now oxygen is a sixth group. It is also even. Even. What is a charge? See, go for trick. Even and even. What is a charge? It is a -2. So what is the charge of sulfate? What is the charge of sulfate? It is a -2. It is a -2. SO4 -2. Yes. Now sulfide. So sulfur is even. Yes, sulfur is a even. Means 6. Oxygen is a 6. It is also even. So what is the charge? Charge is a -2. So it is a SO3 -2 or -2. Yes. Go for the nitrate NO3. So nitrogen is a 7. Sorry, nitrogen is a 5. It belongs to fifth group 5. So nitrogen is a odd. Yes. Oxygen is a 6. It is a even. Odd and even. What is the charge? Look at for the trick. Odd and even. What is a charge? Charge is a -1 or -1. So it is a -1 NO3 -1 or a -1. Look at for nitrite NO2. So nitrogen is the odd because it belongs to fifth group. Oxygen it is a even. So NO2 odd and even, the charge is NO2 -1. NO2 -1. See, go for next example. See, chlorate. Chlorine, it belongs to what group? Seventh group. So chlorine means it is a odd. Yes. And oxygen, it belongs to what? 6. It is a even. What is a charge? Charge equal to odd and even -1. Yes. Have a look for bromine. Bromine is what? Bromine is belongs to seventh group. It is a odd. Yes, odd. Oxygen it belongs to even. What is the charge? Odd and even. Odd and even is a negative minus 1. So it is a ClO3 minus 1. It is a BrO3 minus 1. See, have a look for cyanide. Cyanide, carbon, it belongs to fourth group. Carbon, it is a even. Yes, nitrogen. Say nitrogen. So nitrogen, it is a fifth group. It is a odd. Odd and even. Odd and even, what is the charge? It is a minus 1. See, cyanide minus 1. Okay, have a look for next example. See, chromate, chromium. Chromium is belongs to which group? 6. So it is a even. Yes. Oxygen, it is also belongs to sixth group. So it is sixth A, it is the sixth B. So even and even. What is the charge? Charge is a minus 2. Charge is a minus 2. CrO4, 2 minus or minus 2. So next dichromate. See chromium, it is a even. Yes, oxygen, it is a even. Even. What is the charge? Minus 2. Yes, so CrO2, Cr2O7 dichromate. Cr2O7 minus 2, negative 2. So permanganate. So manganese. Manganese belongs to what is a manganese? It is a odd. Yes, oxygen is a even. So it is a odd and even. What is the charge? Charge equal to negative 1 MnO4 minus permanganate MnO4 minus 1. Yes, have a look for next. Look at for next example. Carbonate. Carbonate. CO3. CO3. Carbonate. Carbon, it belongs to what? Fourth group. Fourth group means it is a even. Oxygen, it is a sixth. It is a even. Even and even. What is the charge? It is a minus 2, negative 2. Carbonate, CO3, minus 2. Oxalate, C2O4. See, carbon is the even. Yes, even. Oxygen is a even. It is a 6. It is a 4. Even and even. What is the charge? Minus 2. So C2O4 minus 2. C2O4 minus 2. Yes, ammonium ion. So nitrogen, it belongs to what? Fifth group. It is a odd. Yes, hydrogen is a 1. 1. So 1 means it is a odd. Odd and odd. What is the charge? It is a negative. So look for this. Nitrogen is a fifth group. It is a odd. Yes, hydrogen is a belongs to first group. Odd and odd. So what is our trick? Odd and odd. Odd and odd group. Odd and odd. It is a plus 1. So NH4 is a positive 1. Ammonium ion. NH4 plus 1. NH4 plus 1. See, look at for these exception cases. What are the exception? Phosphate, PO4. So PO4, what is the charge? It is a 3 minus. PO3, it is also 3 minus. So PO4 minus 3, PO3 minus 3. Remember, so phosphate and phosphite. See, phosphate and phosphite. These are the exception cases. Phosphate. What is the charge? Charge is a minus 3. Phosphate PO4 minus 3, PO3 minus. Remember these two things, we can easily find charge of ions. Charge of ions. See, have a look for next thing. See, if polyatomic ions contain three atoms, how to find? See, hydrogen sulfate HSO4. HSO4. What is the sulfate charge? Sulfate is a minus 2. Yes, sulfate is a minus 2. So sulfate is the minus 2. Hydrogen is the what is the charge? Plus 1. So plus 1 minus 2. Plus 1 minus 2. Its charge becomes HSO4 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 2. It becomes minus 1 charge. Minus 1 charge. Next, sulfurous acid. So SO3. Look at for the SO3. What is the charge? Minus 2. Look at for the, it is a minus 2. Hydrogen is a plus 1. So what is the charge? Charge equal to minus 1. HSO3 minus 1. HSO3 minus 1. Yes. Have a look for bicarbonate. Carbonate. What is the charge of carbonate? See, look at for the charge of carbonate. Carbonate is the minus 2. Yes, carbonate is the minus 2. Hydrogen charge is the plus 1. Plus 1 minus 2, its charge equal to HCO3 minus 1. By carbonate, its charge equal to minus 1. Yes, have a look for next thing. Dihydrogen phosphate. So PO4, what is the charge? Minus 3. Hydrogen charge plus 1, so 2 positives, plus 2 minus 3, its charge equal to minus 1. So H2PO4 minus 1. Have a look for dihydrogen phosphate H2PO3. PO3 charge is minus 3. Yes, look at for the PO3 minus PO3 minus. See, look at for this minus 3. So H2 plus 2, its charge equal to minus 1. So it is a H2PO3 minus 1. H2PO3 minus 1. Yes, look at for this. So metaphosphoric acid, comment in description box. So it is a test yourself question. Metaphosphoric acid, what is the charge? Yes, this is our trick to find charge of polyatomic ions. Polyatomic ions. Yes, I hope like this video. Don't forget to share your friends. Don't forget to give like. If you find content is valuable, make sure to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.